Bullish ICP value forecast is $6.88 to $20.32. The ICP cost will likewise reach $30 soon. ICP negative market cost expectation for 2022 is $4.77. In WebPC, ICP, cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, Rival, and other ICP data to dissect the digital money's future development. WebPC, ICP, current market status as indicated by CoinGecko, the cost of WebPC, ICP, is $6.32 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $64,629,145 at the hour of composing. Notwithstanding, ICP has diminished to 7.47% as of now. Besides, WebPC, ICP, have a coursing supply of 255,992,010 ICP. ICP exchanges digital currency trades like Binance, OKX, BTCX, Bidgent, and Binx. What is WebPC, ICP? The WebPC is the quickest and just limitlessly versatile broadly useful blockchain. It additionally addresses the third major blockchain advancement, close by Bitcoin and Ethereum. The WebPC was hatched and sent off by the Dfinity establishment. The fundamental thought of ICP is to make another sort of decentralized web and worldwide figuring framework, where autonomous server farms all around the world could combine to make an option in contrast to the cloud benefits that power a large portion of the ongoing web. The WebPC endeavors to offer a major option with the goal that designers can fabricate, host, and serve applications in a more decentralized way, permitting sites to be sent straightforwardly onto the public web. WebPC, ICP, value forecast 2022. The above diagram of ICP laid an adjusting base. The cost development structure an example that looks like a bow and subsequently is otherwise called the saucer base example. As a general rule, the adjusting base example shows a drawn-out cost inversion. This example likewise stresses the progressions in the market feeling as the pattern appears to move from negative to bullish. Financial backers for the most part need to remain careful and time the market well. In the event that the value breaks and moves past the obstruction level, it will enter in a firm bullish direction. At present, WebPC, ICP, is at $6.32. Assuming that the example proceeds, the cost of ICP could arrive at the obstruction level of $8.25. On the off chance that the pattern switches, the cost of ICP might tumble to $6.39. WebPC, ICP, backing and obstruction levels. The graph underneath shows the help and obstruction levels of WebPC, ICP. From the above dated daytime period, we can obviously decipher the accompanying as the opposition and backing levels of WebPC, ICP. Resistance level 1, $6.88. Resistance level 2, $9.97. Resistance level 3, $14.21. Resistance level 4, $20.20. Support level 1, $6.88. Support level 2, $4.77. The diagrams show that ICP has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, ICP could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its opposition level at $20.32. As needs be, on the off chance that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of the ICP could fall to nearly $4.767, a negative sign. WebPC, ICP, value expectation 2022, Rival, Mama, and RSI. The relative volume, RVOL, of the WebPC, ICP, is displayed in the underneath outline. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past volume for merchants. Presently, the RVOL of ICP lies underneath the end line, showing feeble members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal, Mama, of WebPC, ICP, is displayed in the above outline. The ICP cost somewhat lies under 50 Mama, present moment, so it is completely in a descending pattern. As of now, ICP is in a bullish state. There is plausible of an inversion pattern of ICP whenever. In the meantime, the overall strength file, RSI, of the ICP is at a degree of 51.84. This implies that ICP is neither in an oversold or overbought state. Notwithstanding, this gives certainty to the brokers to exchange with next to no apprehension. WebPC, ICP, Value Expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional record, ADX, of WebPC, ICP. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of WebPC, ICP. As of now, ICP lies in the scope of 12.79, showing a powerless pattern. From the above diagram, the overall unpredictability record, RVI, of WebPC, ICP. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time instead of cost changes. The RVI of ICP lies over 50, showing higher instability. Truth be told, ICP's RSI is at 36.21, subsequently affirming a potential sell signal. Examination of ICP with BTC, ETH. The beneath diagram shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and WebPC, ICP. From the above outline, we can decipher ETH, BTC, and ICP are moving in a comparable pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH and ICP likewise increment or abatement separately. WebPC, ICP, Value Expectation 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern switches, WebPC, ICP, could most likely accomplish $43.50 by 2023. WebPC, ICP, Value Expectation 2024. With a few overhauls in the organization, WebPC, ICP, could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, ICP could revitalize to hit $53.25 by 2024. WebPC, ICP, Value Forecast 2025. In the event that WebPC, ICP, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 3 years, ICP would mobilize to hit $67.80. WebPC, ICP, Value Forecast 2020.